And them up piece. So got a couple boxes here. Some upcoming stuff. This one I've already started to open because it was a gift. So I worked on opening it the other night. The other night I went over and worked on a 51 Ford V8 for the guy that owns this Cougar. And this Cougar's, it's a pro bono job. I'm not charging him anything to do anything. But he found out that I was wanting something for Elvira, and he got me a good set of aluminum valve covers. These dudes are heavy. These dudes are nice. I got a debate on if I'm going to clean them up, and then some people shoot them with urethane maybe to try to keep the look better. So because aluminum will what do I want to call it? The look just kind of deteriorates. They don't end up as shiny. And then, so depending on what you're doing, valve covers also should come with baffles. The baffles bolt in here below your little holes in your valve covers. If it's a filler hole, you don't need a baffle. If it's a PCV hole, you need a baffle. So I'll put baffles in these, use some Loctite, make sure they don't fall out. And then when I go to put these guys on, I'll do my 1/6 rockers on the Avanti. So that's going to be pretty exciting for me. I don't know about you. This other little project, before I start, let me tell you, these are probably the nicest valve covers I've ever owned in my life. And I want to thank Keith a lot for those. They're really they're nice. I'm excited about these. I realize it's just valve cover gaskets, but I get excited about stupid stuff. So this box here is from California Corvair. This could be a great blunder or a huge success. I don't know which. So Char the car, aka Charlotte, aka the '67 Corvair, she's been throwing belts, and I was like, "Why are you throwing belts?" I put a new belt on. She threw a belt, and cleaned all her pulleys up. She threw a belt. I was like, "What is your deal?" So I decided I was going to get really serious about cleaning the pulleys and make sure there wasn't anything wrong with them and all that stuff. And discovered that her harmonic balance, which is also her bottom pulley, had separated. So I got this guy. And if some of you know vehicles very well, you can look at that and go, that's not a harmonic balance, because it's not. I don't know what he's barking at. Somebody's coming to take me away. But anyway, so I'm going to clean this dude up and go to it. So the Corvair. Blue, what's your deal, man? What's your deal?
Sir, yes, sir. Blue, you're my boy!
But anyway, all right, back to the Corvair. The Corvair, this is a Monza 110 horse motor. So the 110 and up motors had a harmonic balance. The 110 and lower motors did not. None of the early motors had one. So I've had a crap ton of cars that did not have a harmonic balance. So I'm going to roll the dice a little bit and say the way this car is driven, it can get by with a pulley. So I'm going to try to install a pulley, and hopefully I have no more belt throws. And one of these days, if I decide we're rebuilding her all the way, then maybe she'll get a harmonic balance and some other parts, because a harmonic balancer is like $200 to $300, depending on where you go and what you get and all that kind of stuff. And this was used, obviously, and $30. So this will be a pain in the butt. Huge pain in the butt. So This kind of goes along with the Corvair. So, and the Cougar, because the other day they sent me home a 14 by 3 inch air filter for the Cougar because it needed a new air filter. And I was like, I wonder if that'll fit under the hood of the Avani. It was just the air filter, you know. I got the housing and all that, and they got their own housing. So it fit. So since this doesn't drive around and mine does, I left it and ordered a new filter. So there. And then I got these two little guys because that Corvair has a big pain in the butt. It's got dual carbs, right? You've seen under the hood. Some of you have. It's got dual carbs, and you got this like air cleaner going over, and this side bolts down, an air filter on top, and this could be a huge mistake. But I bought two of these little guys to put on the carburetors because I'm tired of fighting that air cleaner. So hopefully these guys fit good and work good. If for some reason they're too big here or something, I'll make it work. It will happen. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And you know, Char, look at that chrome. Woo! Those will be dirty in a heartbeat because she is an oil flinging son of a gun. But anyway, so yeah, that's some of the things coming up. I don't know what I'm going to do first. I really should do the Corvair first because it doesn't run. It can't be driven. I guess I shouldn't say it doesn't run. It can't be driven. It'll fire up, but it won't cool, so you can't run it very long. So I should work on the Corvair, but I'm not excited about this guy because you got a motor mount like right here, so you got like this much room. You got an oil filter over here and all kinds of crap. To take this bolt out, get this dude pulled off, and get this dude put back in. So, not going to be fun, but needs done. So, anyway, yeah, that's it. And actually, the first thing I'll do is this, but I want to do a video about that. I assume you know how to change an air filter. So, anyway, so that's the stuff I got in. Valve covers for Elvira. Going to do them and the 1.6 rockers at the same time. Maybe start on that this weekend, maybe not. We got some stuff going on. I'd like to keep her mobile for another week or two, so I might wait just in case I have any issues and she ends up stuck for a day or two. So, anyway, all right. That's my unboxing. Ready to muck. Peace.